Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the timeless elegance of Chikankari Kurta designs with this beautiful collection. So let's dive into the rich history of intricate craftsmanship of these traditional Indian embroidery technique, celebrating for its delicate motifs and fine thread work. Discover how to style Chikankari kurtas for different occasions, from casual chic to festive glam. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast or simply curious about cultural fashion trends, this video offers inspiration and insights into incorporating Chikankari kurta designs into your wardrobe effortlessly. So join us as we unravel the beauty and versatility of Chikankari, perfect for every modern wardrobe. So friends, if you like this beautiful collection, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.